G'day Australia, I'm Coram from AudioCom. Through one of our online channels, Mr. Lewis D from Thornlands in Queensland has just bought this killer package for Hilux. Now it's a full DIY package, full plug and play, all Hertz car audio products. Very, very good gear. Really nice sound coming through for Lewis. Now he's going to DIY this cool little pack and it's going to be super easy for him, and let me tell you why. I actually haven't put here in the package the mounting kit, but it comes with a vehicle specific mounting kit, so all the holes and everything lines up perfectly to mount this speaker in the door of the Hilux. That'll just drop straight in with the correct mounting kit. It's plug and play. There's an adapter included so he doesn't have to make any solder connections or any mucking around with the with any crimp connectors or anything like that in the door. It's all completely plug and play to the factory connector. Now, this pack also includes an amplifier and subwoofer. This is a 4-channel amplifier that is going to configure to run the 2 front speakers and bridge the 2 other output channels of the amp to run the subwoofer. Now, this is also plug and play for the Hilux with a unique plug and play system, the Interceptor harness that is exclusive to our online channels, audiocom.net.au and universalfuse.com. We put together in-house this Interceptor harness package. Let me show you what it does. First of all, this is the power cable kit for the amp. Pretty straightforward, just runs from the battery to the amplifier with a juicy fuse holder already pre-terminated in line. This is the important part, however. This Interceptor harness includes an input-output connector for the factory Toyota head unit. Then connected to that is a high to low level converter that converts the speaker output from the factory head unit to a line level output, which is what the amplifier wants as the correct input to amplify to the speakers. So line level conversion done here through this little converter, and then the other key important part of the Interceptor harness pack is this pre-loomed and pre-color coordinated harness that goes to the amplifier from the head unit, which carries all the signal and all the speaker wire connections, and everything's fully labeled. You see the labels there, front, rear, sub, all the connections, and the same labels are on the speaker wires as well. So from a DIY perspective, this is a very, very fast and easy, efficient way to link up your amp. You can't possibly mix it all up. Everything's plug and play for the car side connectors, and everything's pre-labeled to terminate into the amplifier after you choose your amplifier mounting location. DIY packs are our specialty. Get across the website universalfuse.com.au or get in contact with our stockists and stores, the AudioCom stores in Western Australia. We can put together a DIY package for you specific to your car. We've got tons of different brands in stock. We've got Alpine, Hertz, MTX, JBL, Focal. What else we got here? There's tons of stuff. We've got a huge range across a lot of multimedia interfaces too, like Kenwood, Sony, Alpine, Pioneer, JVC, all of these things in stock. Whether you want a sound upgrade, multimedia upgrade, or even a communications upgrade, we've got Oricom, Selfie mobile phone boosters, heaps more. Get in contact with us at one of the stores, or get across and see the DIY packs at www.universalfuse.com and let us help you with an upgrade for your car.